Hey, Tyler here. So, as usual, we're going straight to the topic because you know that I don't like to waste your time because I believe that time is precious and I want you to learn as much as possible when you're here with me. Today, we're making sure we understand the difference between used to and be or get used to. Let's begin with used to. The most important thing for you to remember here is that when we say that someone used to do something, we're talking about the past. So, this thing, whatever it is that we're talking about, no longer happens. It stayed in the past. So, let's say Heather doesn't travel a lot because she prefers to stay at home, but she used to travel a lot. She used to travel around 2 or 3 times a year. So, what does that mean? All of this traveling stayed in the past. Heather traveled a lot, regularly, in the past, but not anymore. Now, for some reason,
we're not getting into Heather's business.
she no longer travels, or at least she doesn't travel that much anymore. I love to use timelines to explain grammar. So if we have our timeline here, you'll see that Heather used to travel, but now she doesn't travel. And remember that if we always say used to refer to the past, then we cannot say I used to do something in the present. If you want to say something in the present, then just say that you do that something. What I see though is a lot of people saying I used to when they actually wanted to say I'm used to blah blah blah. But we're going to go over that right now so we can make sure that you're not one of those people making this mistake. What I want you to remember about I am used to something is that this something is not something new. Let's use Heather again. So Heather's from here, she's from the US, but she decided to go to London. Maybe because I said she only stays at home. So once she got there and she had to drive, she realized that she had to sit on the right side of the car, which in her mind is the passenger seat. And that was very hard for her.
Why?
Because Heather is not used to driving like that. That's not how she usually drives. But after a week, she got used to driving in the passenger seat. So at first, driving like that was something new. She wasn't used to it. Now she's used to driving like that. It's no longer new. It's something she can easily do.
What if I am in the middle of the process of going from new and hard to not new and easy?
Then you can say that you're getting used to it. You're adapting. For example, I'm finally getting used to driving in the passenger seat. It was not easy at first, but I'm getting good at it. See how you're adapting to the new situation? Well, that's it for today. I hope it was clear. And if you have any topics you want me to talk about here, let me know in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.